Hello children, now second class mathematics, 7th chapter subtraction exercise, page number 67. Open your book children, page number 67. Now part 5 in previous class 2. This all I am explaining only now. Now 7th bit in page number 67. Take out children your textbook and take pencil and notebook also will take it. I am saying which one will be right, notebook 2 will write, okay. So now children, this bit also write in your notebook 2. Now 20 minus 10. Here what is that question first of all? Write subtraction. Write subtraction. You know subtraction spelling? subtraction. Subtraction. Write subtraction problem such that the difference is 10. So this difference is 10 will be, okay, will become. See here giving some example. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 equals to 10. So here we want answer is the difference is 10. Any two numbers will be take and the differences will become 10. So in before this previous class too, this and here too will be doing only these problems. So here 20 minus 10 equals to 10. Here in which number will come 10? 30 will be taking. I am 30 minus how much? 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20 will do subtraction. 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20. So equals to 10. 30 minus 20 equals to 10. Why? 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Understand children? 30 minus 20 equals to 10. Next, same this like will number will take. Say 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. In all tens place number only, near having means will difference 10 only having. 4 minus 30, 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Next 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40 how much? We'll check it. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4. So we have 5 walls. We'll take 4. So 1 is remaining. So 1. 50 minus 40 equals to 10. Now next number 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80 also 10. Okay. Understand children? In tens place which number will be taking line? The differences will become 10. Suppose 20 minus 10 equals to 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. 60 minus 50, like that only. Okay? You understand children now? So let's now write here this one. Write complete after in your notebook too also will be write this one. Okay, now observe the examples. Fill in the blank boxes with the correct numbers. So now children, 60 minus 23. 60 minus 23. So here giving answer 37. Here 60 minus 17 equals to 43. Here we'll doing and here also giving our answer. 43 minus 11 equals to 32. 37 minus 5 equals to 32. 17 minus 12 equals to 5. So it's like we'll observing that answer will be correct. So this is the one box is giving example. See here. 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4 how much? Here 19 minus 4 means, see in ones place which number is there? 9. So we'll write 9 lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 2, 3, 4, 5. So here write 5. So in ones place to only ones place 5. Tens place 1 is there, so you keep here tens place 15. So his answer is correct or wrong? Once check here. 15 minus 0 equals to 15. 15 minus 0 equals to 15. Here 19 minus 1 equals to how much? 9 minus 1. So we have 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 subtracting here. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 18. So 19 minus 1 equals to 18. 18 minus 3 already having answer. Is it correct or wrong? Once check it. 18 minus 3. 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many will cut? 3. Remaining 2, 3, 4, 5. So tens place 1. 15 already is there. Correct. See, write your book too. Write with pencil too. 19 minus 4 equals to 15. 19 minus 1 equals to 18. So here all one box is empty only. 1 minus dash equals to, see here, 4 minus dash equals to 3. 4 to how many will subtracting here? See, 4. In first of all you have 4 chocolates. Now you have 3 only. So how many are eating you are? Only 1 chocolate. 1. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Correct? So complete this box. Finishing. Okay, now next page. Page number 68. Which page now? 68 page. Page number 68. Subtract the numbers in the first column of the following grid. Then identify where your answer lies. Observe the example. Suppose 39 minus 14. First of all, you should be take ones place number. You check 9 minus 4. How much 9 minus 4? 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 20. 25. So 25. So 25 is 20 minus 30. Sorry, 20 to 30 having. So we'll keep right tick here. This one 66 minus 33. 66 minus 33. 6 minus 3. How much? I am writing here answers. Why? Because you don't know how to subtraction. First of all, you do subtract. Afterwards, you check it. Where is that number? Where in two numbers to between having. Okay. 66 minus 33. 6 minus 3. 3. 6 minus 3. 3. 33. 33 where having? In 30 and 40 between only having. 66 minus 33 equals to 33. You keep right tick. Here write 33. Here keep right tick. Understand? Now this one. 98 minus 50. In ones place 8. 8 minus 0. 8. 9 minus 5. 4. 48 we are having. 40 and 50 between having. Okay. Now 57 minus 12. 57 minus 12. Here 57 minus 12 having. 7 minus 2. 5. 5 minus 1. 4. 45. 45 we are having. In 40 and 50 between having. 40 and 50 between having. 45. Next one. 65 minus 14. 5 minus 4. 1. 6 minus 1. 5. 51. 50 to 60 having. So children, now write this. Write all of you that answers right and keep right tick also will keep. Okay. Next one. Fill in the blank boxes with the correct numbers. 30 minus 0. In 30 number 2. Not doing subtraction. So which number will come? Any number will take. 0 will subtracting means that number only will come. So here 30 minus 0 equals to 30. 95 minus dash equals to 80. So we'll do here to here do subtraction. This number to this number will do subtraction. Here only come that answer. 5 minus 0. 5. 9 minus 8. 1. Understand? Here. Next 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 how much? So 2 minus 5 is not possible. So 12 minus 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. So children, in 5 to you count it, okay, till 12. How many fingers will count? Let's see. Suppose 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 6, 1, 7. Understand? Just like only 75 minus 75. So total will be subtracting. Here will come 0. 25 equals to 25. How much will subtracting? 0 will subtract means that number will only come. Here 60 minus 5. How much? Subtracting 5 only. 5 only. 55. Understand? Now fill in the blank boxes with the correct numbers. So here 36 minus 23. Here 6 minus 3. You write 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 3. Remaining 3. So check it. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Here also will be check. 47 minus dash. So this number and this number will do subtraction. 7 minus 5. You keep 7 boxes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till here to 5 will cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 2. Remaining how many? 2. So 47 minus 22 equals to 25. So observe children. Next now children, next one 75 minus 2 in tens place is 2. See, observe children, 1's place 5, 7 in tens place, 2 is in tens place. Here not there in 1's place number is missing. So here tens place 5, 1's place 0. So 5 minus what will come? 0 will come in. So which number will come? Here observe, same number will doing subtraction will become 75 minus 75 equals to 0. Same this like only 5 minus 5, 0. Understand? 7 minus 2. See here 7. Is it correct or wrong? Once you check it. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in 7 places 2 places will be cut it. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 having 5 tens. 50. Here 68 minus, in 1's place which number is there? Say 1's place which number? 8. 10's place 6. In 1's place not there number, 10's place 3. So 8 minus, here also will come 0 only. 8 minus 8, 0, 6 minus 3. Here do 6 minus 3. We'll taking some this like boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Subtracting 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 3. So here write 3. Understand? 68 minus 38 equals to 30. Next one, fill in the blank boxes with the correct numbers. 36 minus 20. Here, in 1's place which number is there? 6. Here 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Here, which symbol is there? 3 plus 36 plus 17. 6 plus 7. How much? 6 plus 7? Count it. 7, keep in your mind, add 6. 7, keep in your, which number is big number? That number is keep in your mind and then add 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. 3 is there. 1 is carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 53. Here 20 plus 12. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 32. 50. See here. 17 minus 12. 7 minus 2. How much? 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. 5 only. In 1's place, 5. 10's place, 1 minus 1, 0. So here 16 plus 5. How much? 6 plus 5, 11. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So 21. 21. See children here, 53 minus 32. Once check it, here also will be correct or wrong. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So this is the correct only. 16 plus 5 equals to 21.